And now to our ongoing coverage of the coronavirus outbreak. It is no longer news that the dreaded virus has found its way into Nigeria. But what would be the bigger news is if it begins to ravage the country's huge population. With the country still battling to standardize its medical facilities, health correspondent Jacqueline Ogo in this report takes a look at some of the red spots through which the virus can spread in Lagos and then beyond.
If anyone in this bus were to be a carrier of the deadly coronavirus and does not know it, then he or she sneezes, everyone in the bus would be at the risk of being infected with the virus because no one is wearing a face mask, neither do they have handkerchiefs. Lagos Island is densely populated with clustered buildings which seem to be having friendly hugs. Ventilation is poor and airborne diseases like the coronavirus will be too pleased to thrive around here. But the people can help themselves if they get more enlightened about the risk of too much closeness to one another, like the dangerous closeness of their buildings. With the heat waves compounding the current scary situation, the people are lamenting.
You see all these children, we don't put clothes on them anymore. The heat is too much at night.
They give us crazy bills, they collect our money, they give us no light. Another high-risk area is the market, a very busy place. The 3-foot distance recommended by the World Health Organization between people will take many years to achieve here, where some Nigerians don't mind walking upon one another to get their daily bread. Part of the coronavirus prevention rule is to wash your hands frequently. Avoid touching your nose, mouth, or eyes. But in some areas of Lagos State and other parts of the country, potable water is lacking. So, people are more concerned about water to cook their food than water to wash their hands over and over again.
There is no water.
Some schools are still densely populated. Children who love to play so much fall over themselves, giving no hoot about any virus as they have fun, just like footballers. Even coughing and sneezing makes them scream and laugh. Teachers and parents now have a lot of work to do. For these serious reasons and more, many say the government needs to put economic sentiments aside to ensure international movements into the nation, especially from high-risk countries, are stemmed.
The population density in Lagos signals the fact that if there is a major outbreak of the coronavirus in the state and in extension Nigeria, medical facilities available would not be able to handle the impacts. The major reason why the government would need at this point to begin to put out jingles in vernacular and in English for everyone to understand clearly preventive measures. Jacqueline Ogo, TVC News, Lagos.